Welcome back, guys. I will make video about house drawing from beginning to the end. From outside like terrain, trees, fence, etc. to the interior modeling. To make that enjoyable to watch, I will make video in parts and post every few days. For start, we want to change our model units. Go Options, Project Preferences, Working Units, and change to your units. I will draw house with basement and ground floor. For start, let's draw house dimensions. I use structural slab for my 0 position. Then draw terrain from mesh tool. You can draw large terrain and change it later if it's too large. I will go to side view to check elevation. I want my bottom floor part to be 0, so I will just drag it little up and make my 0 point. This is what we have in 3D. Floor is structural base settings, but for now it doesn't matter too much. If you want to change floor parts, you can watch my previous videos about changing materials and setting for each component. Now let's add some terrain adjustments. First, go to side panel and choose line tie. I use spine line because it makes it more realistic than straight line. Draw lines on terrain from beginning to end. That lines will represent your terrain elevation. After drawing lines on terrain, select Terrain with left click. Then go to side panel, find Mesh option, and again left click. Then press and hold space on keyboard and start selecting lines that you draw, one by one. After adding all lines to terrain, select Terrain, then click on black dot on line. Then on small window, select Elevation and follow steps for adjusting. I chose Apply to All. It means that one line will be on same height on all length. You can add heights one by one dot if you want some precise terrain adjusting. Like I said on the beginning, this house is with basement, so my lines are minus elevation. Edge dots I turn off, Apply to All option so it won't affect to my front terrain. I'm putting some concrete look on our floor. It's more European style building, with concrete and bricks. Let's add walls. I will drag wall to bottom line of floor for basement and change wall height to 2.4 meter. Draw other walls and do the same. You can change wall's position by typing height, start, and finish. Now let's add some layers. Let's make house parts with layers so we can choose what element we want to see. Go Document, Layers, and again Layers. If you want make new folder, then new layer. I will draw a basement floor on top of walls, then drag it down on position. We want terrain to be cut with our basement floor. Right-click, Connect, Solid Element Operation. Choose Subtraction with Upward Extrusion. Target will be ground and operator will be floor. For end of this video, select Terrain and go up to Settings. I want to add some thickness to the ground to look more like real. I hope you like video. Like and subscribe.